Have you ever wanted to go to Mardi Gras in New Orleans, but just couldn't afford it? Well, now you can. The Fresno Dixieland Society brings New Orleans and Mardi Gras to Fresno the second weekend in February every year. This fabulous 4-day festival features over 20 bands from across the U.S. and Canada playing traditional Dixieland jazz, swing, and rock and roll at the Doubletree Hotel by Hilton. Experience the traditions of New Orleans in a family-friendly environment, from the crowning of a king and queen to parasol, masquerade, and costume parades, all under one roof. Your attendance supports the Fresno Dixieland Society's goal of providing youth scholarships to jazz camp. For details, tickets, band schedules, or to volunteer, please go to our website. See you at Mardi Gras.